Welcome to the Educational Opportunity Dashboard. The dashboard is a web-based tool created by Research for Action to compare and rank how well all 50 states are providing their students with access to educational opportunities. Students are presumed to have access if they merely attend a school that provides the specific opportunity. By examining this threshold question, the dashboard can be used to compare how well policymakers in each state are taking the first step to providing students adequate and equitable educational opportunities. The Methodology tab provides definitions and details of how the dashboard is built using data on 14 indicators of educational opportunity from the 2017-18 Federal Civil Rights Data Collection. The CRDC indicators are compiled into 3 indexes: the Quality Educators Index, the School Climate Index, and the College Career Readiness Curriculum Index. The indexes are also compiled into an average opportunity score. Download the technical appendix for more details. The dashboard homepage lands on the State Rankings tab, where the default is set to rank the 50 states on the size of the gap in access between students of color and white students on the average opportunity score. The table on the left of the page places a dot by each state to reflect the size of the gap in access. Here we see that Pennsylvania has the largest gap in access to overall opportunity between white students and students of color. Hovering over a dot will provide more information about each state. Notice that the size of the dot changes based on the percentage of students in the selected subgroup. Maryland has a larger dot than North Dakota because a greater percentage of Maryland's students are students of color. The map on the right shades each state by quintile. States with darker shades have the largest gaps, and states with lighter shades rank among the smallest gaps. Users can click a shade to view all the states in each quintile. Click the shade again to return to the full map. Users can click the drop-down menu to rank states by any one of the 15 individual indicators or by one of the 3 indexes. Users can also select a different student subgroup gap comparison, or just view the rate of access to opportunity for all students, or a specific subgroup of students by race or ethnicity, or by family income, which is based on eligibility for the National Free or Reduced Price Lunch Program. For example, let's select the Quality Educators Index and change the ranking to all students. The dashboard is now ranking states by how well all their students have access to the Educators Index. We can also select a single indicator, such as access to a school that offers calculus, and select a specific subgroup, such as Black students. The dashboard is now ranking states by how well they provide Black students with access to schools that offer a course in calculus. For an even deeper dive, the dashboard includes additional filters that allow users to restrict the sample to low, mid, or high poverty schools. By filtering to only high poverty schools and comparing the black-white gap in access to the average opportunity score, we can see that many states have race disparities in the opportunities they provide to students even within their subset of high poverty schools. By refreshing the page, users can clear the filters and return to the default view. The dashboard also includes a State Snapshot tab that allows users to zero in and see all the indicators for an individual state in one place. The dashboard provides the nation's averages as a comparison to whatever state is selected. The default view compares a state to the nation on the size of the gaps in access between students of color and white students. But as with the state rankings, the filters can be changed to view opportunities for all students, a different subgroup of students, or a different gap comparison. On the Snapshot tab, users can hover over each indicator to view the definition. Users can also view each state's student demographic information at the bottom of the snapshot page. Finally, tabs on the Educational Opportunity Dashboard provide access to RFA's national report on the dashboard and on any individual state reports. We hope the dashboard is a useful tool for better understanding how well the nation and all 50 states are equitably and adequately providing students with access to educational opportunities.